page. And we're going to do some skills review together. So we are looking at 3.1 and summarizing 3.1. So it says to solve each system of equations by graphing. So what I really like about question number 1 is that these are two lines, one that is vertical and one that is horizontal. So a vertical line means it is straight up and down. So x equals 2 has slope undefined, and it goes straight up and down. Y equals 0 is also the same as the x-axis. It goes straight across. Its slope is 0. So where do the purple and the green lines intersect? Well, they intersect at this point right here. So the solution is 2, 0. Okay? Yes?
Would it be 0, 2?
No. It's x comma y. So your x value is 2, your y value is 0. Okay, number 2, what's really nice about number 2 is these are already in y equals mx plus b form. So we're going to plot our y-intercept. So 2, 4, 6. You have to go by 2's on this graph to get it on there. So 2, 4, 6. And then if you take your x's by 2's also, then you can apply your slope the same way. So I'm going to do my x's and y's by 2's. So that lets me go down 3 and over 1. And then for 2, my y-intercept is -4, so that's down 2 tick marks. And my slope is 2, so we go up 2 and over 1. And we see that the graphs intersect at this point here. Remember, my x's and y's are both going by 2, so that is the point, again, 2, 0. Number 3, this is still in y equals mx plus b form, but our b and our m are flip-flopped, so it's b plus m instead of m plus b. So that means my graph starts at 4 and goes down 3 and over 1. Remember, addition and subtraction are commutative. So it doesn't matter that it's 4 minus 3x. That is equivalent to -3x plus 4. And you are more than welcome to rewrite that if you would like. And then in part 2, your y-intercept is -1. Your slope is -1/2. So you go down 1 and over 2. Once again, I have intersecting lines. The point of intersection is the solution. So the solution to this graph is when x is 2, y is -2. Okay, and number 4, that is again the same thing, just the order is backwards, so that's -x plus 4. So my y-intercept is 4. My slope is -1. So you're going down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And then in the second part, your y-intercept is -2. Your slope is +1, so you're going up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. And once again, the solution is the point of intersection. So that is at 1, 2, 3, 1. In 5, your y-intercept is +2. Your slope is -2. So you're going to go down 2 and over 1. In part 2, my y-intercept is -5. So you always start on the y-axis at -5. And your slope is up 1 and over 3. So at x equals 3 and y equals 4, sorry, -4, my graphs intersect. So they intersect at 3, -4. Number 6. My y-intercept is 0. Slope of 1. That's y equals x. That is known as the identity function. And then part B, your y-intercept is 4. A slope of -3 over 1. So they intersect at 1, 1. Okay. So I'm going to give you the remainder of class time to do this worksheet and then the one after it, because I already did half of this with you. So tomorrow, to make it worth your time, your homework will be worth 8 points. So like you'll get 4 points for this handout and 4 points for the one after it. Because you have roughly like 20 minutes to do it. Hopefully you get most of that